I'm making chicken garlic parmesan. For this, I use chicken thigh, so if you have boneless one, that's perfect. But if you don't have, and you're too lazy to debone like me, you can use the one with bones. Marinate the chicken, I use the garlic parmesan wing sauce and marinate it for 30 minutes at least.
Do this chicken thigh and broccoli.
Bake in a preheated oven. 375 Fahrenheit is my temperature.
Garlic.
Until done. And I added garlic powder, black pepper here, and some paprika. And then there you have it. I always check the internal temperature of my chicken and make sure it is 165 Fahrenheit. And that's done.